Hello students, how are you? Today I will discuss questions and answers of My Own True Family written by Ted Hughes. So let us see what questions and answers are waiting for you. My Own True Family is written by Ted Hughes. In this question answers period, I will discuss MCQ, true false and SCQ type questions. In MCQ, there are 5 questions. The first question is: the poet was looking for option A stag, option B omen, option B cat. I have already marked the answers with some colors, so it will be easier for you to understand the answer. The answer of the first question is stag. The poet was looking for a stag. In the next question, when the woman opened her bag, the poet became twice awake. The answer of question 2 is twice awake. In question number 3, the tribe asked the poet to plant 2 oak trees. How many trees? 2 oak trees. In question 4, we can see unless the poet made a promise, the poet was going to, answer is die. In 5th questions, the poet was tied to a stake. The poet was tied to a stake. State whether the following statements are true or false. Provide supporting statements. The first question is: the poet crept in a mango forest. As we know that the poet crept into an oak wood, so this question is false. And the supporting statement is: once I crept in an oak wood. The second question: in the oak wood, the poet was looking for a omen. We know that it is a false because the poet was looking for a stag. Supporting statement is: I was looking for a stag. In the third question, in his dream, the poet saw that he was surrounded by a steering tribe. This statement is true. And the supporting statement is: surrounded by a steering tribe and me tied to a stake. Now SAQ type questions. Where was the poet looking for a stag? The answer is: the poet was looking for a stag in an oak wood. The second question is: what did the poet promise to do? The answer is: the poet promised to plant 2 trees whenever he would see an oak tree fade. Third question: when did the poet come twice awake? When the old woman opened her little bag, the poet came twice awake and he found himself tied to a stake. Fourth questions: what would happen if the poet failed to make the promise? Here there is a double if, though it would not be there. Okay, the answer is: if the poet failed to make the promise, he would die. Fifth questions: what did the old woman say to the poet? The answer is: the old woman said that he had the poet's secret in her little bag. Sixth and the last question: what did the oak trees say to the poet? The answer is: the oak trees told the poet that they were his own true family. So these are the questions. Read these questions very carefully and note down these questions on your exercise book. This may be helpful in your upcoming examination. So I think this would help you. And on this positive note, I am ending this video. Thank you very much.